Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab E10 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So if you get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, which is already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is actually visible right now on your display. From there, all you will need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this kind of weird pop-up with I guess zoom out, whatever, and a notification, at which point it will just disappear. Once it does so, you can find the screenshot in your Photos application. As you can see right over here, it is labeled as screenshots, so this is a separate album. You can actually click on the text and this will show you all the screenshots that I have captured over the time. Now for me, this is the one that I have captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.